and it's shorter. So what you get is what you get. A curly. What we have? No, I don't have the tightest curls in the world. Hi, I'm Mallory Brooke, a makeup artist and content creator here on YouTube, and today I'm sharing with you my current curly hair routine. Since I wore my hair my natural texture in a video recently, I got so many requests to update you on my curly hair routine. There are a few things that have changed since last year because, for one, last year my hair was a little bit thicker. I've gone through some hair loss since that video, so things have changed on that end, as well as my hair is heavily highlighted now, so it's much more porous and really can't take as much product. So if you have fine, thin, curly hair and it's shorter, girl, this is gonna be the routine for you. I only have this pinned up because it's gotta be out of my face before we start. One thing that has changed majorly since last year is I do not do the finger curling method anymore because my hair is quite a bit thinner than it was, and I find that since my hair is thinner, since the hair loss, it tends to just straighten the top of my hair, so I don't want that. So we just kind of on the fly roll with what we get as far as the top layer. So when I know that it's going to be a curly hair day, I do start out with the Kerastase Curl Manifesto shampoo and conditioner. That has not changed. I will have all of the products I'm using in this video in the info box below, and yes, they are affiliate links if they can be. This is what I do for a living, so when you shop through my links, I do make a small commission and it helps support my channel, and I cannot tell you how much I appreciate that. It helps keep my videos sponsored by you, basically, instead of other brands. Anyway, back to it. Kerastase Curl Manifesto shampoo and conditioner. I love it. It's lightweight enough to not weigh my fine, thin hair down, and it is conditioning enough to really bring out my curls. Next step is applying the Curl Manifesto Jelly Curl Contour. I prefer, when my hair is thinner like this, a gel or a light cream or a blend of both, and that's what this is. It's a good in-between of a gel and a cream, so it's very lightweight, and I will apply 2 pumps, take the extra that fell off my desk. And right now I have no product in my hair, just a detangler. And I just scrunch this through my hair. My hair is probably, I don't know, not halfway dry. I would say 1/3 dry, because I'll tell you what, when your hair's thinner and you get out of the shower, it starts drying so quick. It starts drying so quick, so what you get is what you get, you know what I mean? All right, right after that, I use the Curl Manifesto Refresh Absolute. This is actually for next day, but it kind of reinforces that curl in its very lightweight spray, kind of gives a little more hold than the jelly does. And I'm sorry, I have like a rash right here. I'm not sure what's going on, but this is about curls and armpits. Okay, so I just like to spray this a little bit throughout, and this does refresh your curls the next day. I like to just dampen my hair with a little water and then go in with the Refresh Absolute, and it does really refresh my curls. And then I go right in, and have I mentioned yet that this is not curly girl method friendly? This is just a curly girl that knows how to take care of her curls. And yes, we do use heat. You can use whatever blow dryer you have with the diffuser attachment. All right, you guys, I'm gonna speed this process up because it's basically like I'm just getting my hair dry, and I use medium heat and all the way up. All right, the drying part is done. This is what we have. Okay, so obviously there are some sections that I would like to curl better. Usually it's around my face and the very top. My underneath is pretty curly, so I just leave that alone, you know. No, I don't have the tightest curls in the world, but I consider my hair curly, okay? Just to get ahead of everything. So I am going to just take small little sections, and yes, I still love and use the GHD curve to enhance my curls. This is the perfect little tool for touch-ups and also next day curls, you know, when you fall asleep on your curls and they just aren't the best. So I try to recognize the curl pattern of each section, and I don't curl too tight. I try to keep it with my own type of curl pattern. which is looser. So the tighter you want your curls, the longer you should hold and all of that good stuff. My top section is just like so different than my under section. So I like to match it. And it's really these front pieces that bother me the most. I feel like I end up looking like Meg Ryan in Proof of Life in like 2001 if I don't just kind of fix these little areas. All right, so how I recognize the curl pattern is, see this curl is going this way. So I will start in the dent of that little wave pattern and then go from there and hold it very loosely, because if you go the opposite direction of your curl pattern, girl, you're gonna get a curl that wants to flatten. So since my hair is thinner than last year, that's how I do it. I don't do finger things anymore at all. I let this cool, and there's some really fun tips and tricks here in a second that I'm gonna show you that I learned from Sal, which is the king of curly hair, to be honest. His curly hair is like I wish my hair would do that naturally. Curly. All right, now that these little sections have curled, I'm just gonna, cooled, I'm going to pull apart these sections just to give a little separation. Don't want banana curls or anything like that. I really just want my own curl pattern to be enhanced. One more. All right, now you can go ahead and apply any curl oil or anything that you want to use to put moisture back into your hair. Last year I was loving the Curl Manifesto Sublime Repair Oil. It is too heavy. It's too heavy. It's too heavy for my hair currently because I've lost so much of it. So I have been loving the GK Hair Serum. I've talked about this before. A little goes a long way. It helps repair. They have their own, like, I don't know, reparative system, but it feels like silk. It smells like, I don't know, just like the warmest, nice scent of life. I love the shampoo and conditioner as well, but for curly hair days, I do prefer the Kerastase. But the GK Hair Serum is wonderful to put in your hair. It's lightweight, it won't weigh your curls down, but just gives you a little more moisture and shine, and boom, you could stop here. Okay, I don't want to stop here because there is one more step to this that I have been loving to do recently, and it involves actually making my hair bigger. All right, so I talked about the pattern wide tooth comb with a handle in my recent Sephora trying new makeup haul video, and I talked about not being so sure if I would like this or not. I've been loving it to separate my curls. So get one last look. Here we have like pretty, you know, a pretty uniform, nice little curl going on. We got big curls, little curls, couple waves, you know, inconsistent curl pattern. Now it's time. This was developed to separate curls and make them fluffier and bigger. And so you can go ahead and use this to get a totally different and fluffy, like, look at that. Here's the difference in the sides. I don't want to straighten my hair, but this is meant for curly hair. So it really actually does not straighten your curls. It just fluffs them out and enhances them. Here is the side with the comb out, and then here's the side not combed out. I like both sides, but girl, you know we going for it. Why not? It's humid outside. My hair is gonna grow anyway. I don't mind leaning into the Tracy Ellis Ross of it all. This is my hair combed out. You can totally do it the other way, you know what I mean? But I'm loving this type of style for myself currently. I think it's fun, it's curly, it's, hey, this is my natural texture, living with it. Now, for the last step, this is something that I learned from Sal, what is his last name? I don't know. I'll link his Instagram below, but I followed him for years. He has amazing curly hair. He does great styling for curly hair. And he posted this picture of this like beautiful redheaded woman with like the softest, bounciest, like fluffed out looking curls of life. And he told me it was hand lotion. So I'm gonna use the Necessaire the body lotion. I just like using a fragrance-free kind of lightweight body lotion. You can use any body lotion apparently. Take a little bit of that. Body lotion, hand lotion, this is all in one. Now, this will add the perfect amount of weight after you've fluffed your curls, you know, like they're already fluffed and now they're like angel curls. That's what that woman's hair looked like. I was like, oh my God, her hair's so like angelic and beautiful, and I want my curls to look like that. And that's exactly what this does. And it's basic hand lotion, body lotion, whatever. Imagine you're in your car, you want something, oh my God, my curls are out of control. Just get your body lotion or your hand lotion, and now you have angelic curls. So this is my current curly hair routine for very fine, thin, curly hair. Let me know if you would like to see more tutorials with my hair being naturally curly. I can do updos, half updos. Let us know in the comments how you style your curly hair. Is your hair shorter like this? Lean into it. Make it big, make it soft, make it angelic. I will have everything that I used and discount codes available all in the info box below. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope that you really enjoyed this curly hair routine. This is all I've been doing different, and hopefully my hair will grow out soon and we can do a long curly hair video. Thank you so much for watching. Give this video a thumbs up if you do enjoy my hair tutorials. It lets me know that you enjoy them, and so I'll do more of them, and it also lets YouTube know that you enjoy my content. Therefore, you will see it more in your feed. And subscribe if you haven't already. We would love to have you in this wonderful, positive, beautiful, truthful, unfiltered, currently big-haired community. All right, goodbye, you guys. No, I don't have the tightest curls in the world.
All right.